Good morning, LC people. Well, I've been a bit quiet on my posts. I've had a couple of bikes that I've done. I didn't post about them for a couple of reasons. It was inappropriate, really. Some of the things that I did on the owner's request, I didn't want to post about. This bike that you're looking at now belongs to David Scott. David Scott brought this to me. It was a German import. I've probably had it a couple of months. It had the crank rebuilt, it had a rebore, it had powder coated casings both sides, the head, the barrels, fully gone through this bike. He spent a lot of money getting all the parts for this, new switch gear, and the clocks was fully rebuilt. It's absolutely stunning. It had the wheels done at Woods. I'd put new tyres on it. The calipers, they was obviously powder coated. New seals, new pistons, new discs. He hadn't spared any expense on this bike. And it just made my job so much easier. He had brand new pegs, gear linkage, back pegs. He'd had these coated by a company that does guns, so it's quality coating on those. New tap on it, radiator cover, horns, indicators, genuine indicators from Yamaha. Absolutely stunning. I love it. It's one of the best ones I think that I've done, purely for the fact that he's bought so many original parts for it. I won't run it too much because there's not a lot of fuel in it. But no, absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe how well it's turned out. New lock set, matching lock set. Now, I do love the German bikes. When he brought me this one, he sort of helped inspire me a little bit to buy this one off Brian Rook. But I'd seen some of Brian's German imports and I was fully happy about it. About my purchase, but no, this one is absolutely amazing. I do love it. It's great. I've just got off the phone with David, and he's going to come and fetch it back in the next day or so, whatever it is. Can't remember what he said now, but it'll be going out. But yeah, a lot of people love the Bounties. I love the Bounties. I think it just looks amazing. The guy that does the paintwork's done a cracking job. Some people say, don't have those stickers lacquered in. Well, David wanted it, and that's what our painter does anyway. Well, the guy that I use. Just looks amazing. I've got another Bounty bar to get together. I'm waiting for the barrels and the crank to come back from that. That's had the same story done. And I'll be getting onto that probably in the next few days. I don't know. I've got to ring the people and see if the parts are ready. They've been there about 4 weeks. So my apologies for not posting recently, but I've had other things going on as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. David's going to love this bike. Dilly dilly.